Hi. What's up guys? This is your host Eliza. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add products to your web store on SmartSeller. You will visit your web store dashboard, add new products to your web store, load product images, and add product description, and set pricing. So let's get started. At the address bar of your browser, type smartseller.online and press enter. You are now at SmartSeller website. Click Sign In found at the top of the navigation bar. Proceed to sign into your account by typing in your username or email address and password. Click the blue bar to log in. You will see this dashboard page after you log in to your account on SmartSeller. Click Products on the left-hand navigation column, followed by All Products. You will see a page with your product listing. Click Add New at the top of the page. You will be directed to the Add New Product page. Type in the name of the product. It can be any catchy name your customers might be attracted to. You can use alphanumeric, including special characters here. Next, you will type in a description of the product. This is what the customers will see when they want to know more about your product. Next, key in the price of the product in regular price field. If you are doing a promotion, then key in the special price and customer will purchase the product at this discount price. Otherwise, leave this field blank. Now, click Inventory, key in an SKU number. This is the stock keeping unit, which is an alphanumeric code that identifies the product and helps you track inventory for your retail business. You can create SKU numbers by giving each product a special code. It can be any alphanumeric string. Click Enable Stock Management if you want the system to alert you of your inventory stocking status. Key in the quantity of the same product you have in stock. The rest of the checkboxes are self-explanatory. Next, click Shipping on the navigation column. Proceed to key in information such as weight and dimensions of the product. These are information needed by the shipping company. Just type in the numbers without the units. You have already defined the measurement units during store setup, so there is no need to key in units again. Next, you point your cursor to the right-hand side and click Set Product Image to upload photos of your product. On this product image page, you can upload photos to your web store. There are different ways to upload a photo. By clicking on the Select a File button or by dragging a photo from a folder on your hard drive and drop it anywhere on the page. Here I open a folder where I keep my product photos. It shows the t-shirt photos I have stored in that folder. I select a photo of the product to be used as the main photo on the web store. Customers will see this photo first when browsing your web store. I simply drag the photo onto the page to upload it. Now the photo is being uploaded to your web store. It will take a short while because your photo is being processed. It is being optimized and resized. Click the blue button Set Product Image on the lower right side. This will set the image as the main photo of the product. After setting the main image of the product, you then proceed to load more related images of the same product. Click Add Product Gallery Images at the lower right corner. Next, click a folder on your computer that contains all the other photos of the product. Select them by clicking and dragging at the same time. Drag and drop the photos on the Add Gallery Images page. Now your multiple images are being uploaded. Please bear with it as it takes a bit of time to resize and process and optimize your images. You can see that 2 of the 3 images have been loaded and now the last image is being processed and loaded. Okay, now all 3 images have been loaded successfully. Select all 3 and click the blue button Add to Gallery on the lower right corner. Here you have it. All 3 t-shirt images have been added to the gallery. Click Publish to go live on the internet, so your customers can see this newly added product on your web store. To view your new product, click the View Product link on the upper left-hand side and choose Open a new tab. Click on the tab on your browser to see how your product looks on the web store. You customers will see the same layout when they visit your store online. Let me repeat the same process once more to show you how to add a new product. Click All Products on the left-hand navigation column, followed by Add New. Give your product a name. You can use alphanumeric and special characters here. Now type in the product description. This is for your customers to know more about your product. Next, you need to key in the pricing. Key in also the discount price if you have a promotion. Leave it blank if you do not intend to give discount. Next, you will provide inventory information. Click Inventory. The SKU is an alphanumeric string you create to give the product a unique ID for easy reference purpose. Key in the rest of the fields to complete the product information. Next, click Shipping. In this step, you provide the weight and dimension of the product so that the shipping company knows how to charge for the postage. Next, click on the lower right-hand corner Set Product Image. We are now on the product image page. Open the folder where you keep the photos of your product. Drag the photo you want to use as the main product photo and drop it on the product image page. Click the blue button Set Product Image at the lower right corner. Next, add more images of the same product to the gallery. On the lower right corner, click Add to Gallery. Now click and open the folder containing all the other photos of the product. Select all the photos you want and drag and drop onto the Add Images to Gallery page. Please bear with me, as your images are being resized and optimized while being uploaded, and needed some time. Once all the images have been uploaded, click Publish to go live online, so your customers can see them. Customers can now type your web store URL to see your products. This is a professionally looking web store you can build in just a few minutes to start selling online. And it is completely free. Isn't it amazing? When a customer clicks on a product, he or she will see exactly these beautifully organized images and all the information related to the product. Well, we have come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed the session. Thanks for watching.